How to be eligible for the ZkSync Airdrop. In this video, we will show you the steps you need to take to put yourself in the best position to receive ZK tokens in the next airdrop. But before we get to that, we will introduce you to the revolutionary Layer 2 solution, ZkSync. This protocol aims to enhance the scalability of the Ethereum blockchain without compromising its security through a zero-knowledge system. With over 20,000 TPS and partnerships with crypto giants such as 1inch Network and Yearn Finance, ZkSync is a promising project that solves many of the issues that plague the network. Stay tuned to find out more about ZkSync's features and benefits, and how to use it. But before going further, it's important to know that this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest videos. Now, let's get started. The Ethereum blockchain, which is currently the second largest in the world, has experienced remarkable growth. However, this growth has come with its own set of problems. The network's adoption by DeFi and NFT platforms has led to unprecedented congestion and excessively high transaction fees. Several Layer 2 protocols have been proposed as solutions to these issues, which are impeding Ethereum's progress. One such protocol is ZkSync, which pledges to enhance the scalability of the blockchain without compromising its security. Today, we will introduce you to ZkSync, its features, and its main benefits. But first, let's recall what a Layer 2 solution is. A Layer 2 solution is a protocol that builds on the base layer of Ethereum to improve its scalability. The goal is to maintain optimal decentralization, transparency, and security while reducing the network's energy consumption and gas costs. On the other hand, Layer solutions allow to execute calculations and transactions outside the blockchain. Since their advent, Ethereum Layer 2 solutions have given a breath of fresh air to the network platforms, especially NFT projects and DeFi applications that were suffering from heavy congestion. Now that we have recalled what a Layer 2 solution is, let's take a look at ZkSync, the protocol that promises to improve the scalability of the Ethereum blockchain without sacrificing its security. ZkSync is a Layer 2 protocol that aims to improve ETH transaction throughput while reducing gas charges. Based on ZK rollup technology, the project uses a zero-knowledge system to protect user funds while optimizing scalability, transparency, and other key features of the Ethereum blockchain. Created by Matter Labs, ZkSync aims to solve Ethereum's problems through rollup technology. The team's goal is to make ZkSync a useful and beneficial project for both end users and developers. The affordability of transaction fees is one of the biggest advantages of ZkSync. As noted on its Twitter page, the project uses a combination of ZK Rollup or ZK Porter accounts to achieve a throughput of over 20,000 TPS without compromising the security of the Ethereum blockchain. Since its launch, the platform has rolled out several updates and partnered with crypto giants including 1inch Network, Yearn Finance, and more or less. With its ZkSync 2.0 update and new sharding functionality, the protocol will be able to handle over 100,000 transactions per second through a combination of the Solidity language, ZkEVM, and Zinc, its own rollup programming language. ZkSync 2.0 intends to offer several smart contract features to its users. ZkSync is designed to be compatible with Ethereum addresses, exchanges, and smart contracts, making it easy to transfer funds. Additionally, you can manage your Ethereum funds and wallets directly from the ZkSync web wallet. To manage addresses automatically, you must sign either with an Ethereum signature or with an EIP1271 for smart contracts. In addition to its ease of use, ZkSync also offers support for ERC20 tokens in a simple and smooth way. Furthermore, users can even list their own tokens on ZkSync, provided they meet the protocol's requirements. It's important to note that while ZkSync's native token is not yet available, the Matter Labs team is currently managing the protocol's governance outside of the blockchain. Once ZkSync is fully decentralized, the platform will offer its native token to those who wish to become validators by staking. By improving the scalability of the Ethereum blockchain and reducing transaction costs, ZkSync has solved many of the issues that have plagued the network without compromising security or user privacy. In fact, the goal of ZkSync is to match the performance of digital payment giants like Visa while maintaining the inherent qualities of the blockchain. Now, let's take a look at how to use ZkSync. First, you'll need to connect your crypto wallet to the ZkSync wallet. You can find the link in the description here. To connect to the ZkSync 1.0 main network, click on the Ethereum logo on the bottom right and then click on Mainnet. Next, you'll need to deposit funds into your wallet. You can do this through a launchpad, exchange, or bridge. If you have a ZkSync account, you can also transfer funds to another ZkSync account or to an Ethereum address. The platform allows users to pay transaction fees using popular tokens, and it offers a gasless meta-transaction system. How to be eligible for the ZkSync airdrop. Before we get into that, make sure to hit the like button and share this video if you haven't. Now, the strategies and steps we will present in this video will put you in the best position to be eligible for the next ZkSync airdrop. The methods presented imply that you will have to spend a small amount of money to interact with certain applications on the network in order to earn a spot on their airdrop whitelist. We recommend that you complete as many as you can in order to receive as many ZK tokens as possible. The first recommendation is to bridge the funds in the ZkSync testnet with a native application like Arbitrum Finance. This platform will allow you to transfer Ethereum or ETH, USDC, and USDT from the mainnet to ZkSync for a small fee. We also recommend using the native ZkSync gateway if you want to get as many tokens as possible on the drop. The next step is to trade on the Zigzag DEX, which is the first decentralized exchange deployed on ZkSync. The platform is a non-depository order book exchange and operates similarly to a centralized exchange like Binance and FTX. Trading is very cheap, so it should only cost you $1 or $2. The third recommendation is to make a Gitcoin donation to ZkSync. Gitcoin is an app that allows you to donate to open-source software projects using digital assets. The application allows investors to make their donation on the ZkSync network to take advantage of lower transaction fees. We recommend donating on ZkSync, as it was an eligibility requirement for the Optimism drop. Now, the fourth recommendation is to claim the ZkSync faucet tokens. Visit the ZkSync 2.0 portal and request testnet tokens from their tape. This network is an EVM-compatible rollup that uses ZkSync's zero-knowledge technology. The tap allows you to request up to 0.1 ETH of ZKS tokens for free every 24 hours. Another step to complete is to make a trade on SyncSwap. Once you claim your faucet tokens, you will likely get a boosted drop reward for performing an extra action. And the fourth and final step we recommend to claim as many ZkSync airdrop tokens as possible is to visit Mint Square and hit a new NFT. To do this, you can upload any image and mint it as an NFT for less than $1. All in all, ZkSync is an exciting project that deserves attention, but as always, it's important to conduct your own research before investing. Thanks for watching our video on how to be eligible for the ZkSync airdrop and learn about the revolutionary Layer 2 solution, ZkSync. We hope you found this information helpful and valuable. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest blockchain projects and news. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.